everyone, welcome to iCreative School. And in last video, I have paused, like I was doing part 1 website template. So I'll finish that website template in this part 2 session. Okay, so I'm going directly to my software. I'm sharing my screen here. So up to here, I have completed last, right? So Control plus, sorry. Okay, so first see here height is less, so I have to increase my canvas height. So go to image menu and go to canvas size. Okay, and here you adjust pixels, then here you go to relative and see this down, so it will increase the down part. Okay, so here height you will write you'll put 1000. Let's see how it is coming. See, it is increased, right? Okay, so here I have taken here, I'll put image here actually because this is teaching team, right? I'll keep center, and here some images I have downloaded. I'm just putting here by clipping mask. So in website template, this clipping mask is is the basic need. You have to know this. So one more I have also downloaded. So which image you are going to clipping mask, that should be in up layer. Okay? Then one more. I will keep 3. Okay, this 4 I think so it's not looking good. Okay. Then using transform tool you can decrease the size. Here I'll increase all the size, and so just keep your alignment good. So here, see, here I am clicking both, that's why it is moving. Okay, okay, this one completed. Then I will do our portfolio or only portfolio, so that you can showcase your work, like what you did. You can show your designs. So here also one image required. So here how you will do, you have to go to custom shape tool, and you can take this one and just drag it here and just give gray color. Actually here horizontally this images will scroll, that's why I'm keeping here. I'm duplicated here and Control T, then flip horizontal. You can type, you can click. So you can take here a rounded rectangle and First I will hide this image and I will keep it 3. Okay, then I will do clipping mask. Where is that image? Here. Then right click, then clipping mask. So this is one type of portfolio. You can write like you can write social media post. At last you can change, or you can uniformly change the size of all text. See here that every font you can check it later. Already I'm duplicating, so it is same size only. Right. So here I will write poster design. Then one image. Create clipping mask like this. And here something you can write banner. So I'm just putting here just dummy. You can put, sorry. This is actually social media post. Okay, I'll change it. Okay, so like this we can do. Little bit down. You should see all sizes how is following, so that. So at last we'll do a footer. So go to rectangle tool and you can click your logo color here, fill here, then select it, then space bar, drag it, then Control T, little bit. So here you can write about us, career, whatever. About us. Career. Then become an instructor. So you have to do practice, okay? You can do your own design. If you don't like, then you can do also your own design and your own website. Also you can write here free free demo. Then on contact, here you can write. Then we can add here icons. So wait, I will download icons. I have already downloaded icons, but I'm not finding. So just give me a second, I'm downloading. So actually Illustrator is the software where you can find lots of vector icons. You can easily find in a pic. Okay, so I'm taking from there only. So I'm dragging. Okay, I'll change it color. Okay, we'll change this background to white, and this about and all. We'll change the text color. Okay, this contact also. So then Instagram. Whatever you can add according to client requirements. You can use this ruler also to fit into that. Then YouTube. So according to clients, so many things are like they can like or not. You can change again. You can do unless they like. So this small adjustment matters actually. Here I can write blog. So this is like very basics actually. So I'll remove rulers and extras. So I'll go to 100% and see how this is very simple. Content is not that much, but you can see by pressing F double time, you can see, you can scroll it, or space bar using and drag it. Content is not there, you can write your content. Okay, and here our teaching thing, here description also should be there. Just I'm telling basics. How can you do like one simple website using alignment and all. See, keep it white like your background so that it will look good always. Okay guys, see you in next video. Some other thing I will tell you. Okay, till then, bye. Take care your family and yourself also, and stay creative. Thank you. Give feedback, and if you like my video. Thank you.